It's Diwali time, it's festive time, and behind me you can see jam-packed markets in Pune. People all over carelessly indulged in shopping. Now it's been almost 8 months that coronavirus has hit India, and the situation during the months of August and September was very alarming, especially talking about Pune city, Pune district, which was termed as hotspot with almost 2,000 to 3,000 positive patients being reported daily in Pune district. Now that the figures have decreased, it seems that people have also forgotten and are careless about social distancing. That's what is visible in this Tulsi Bagh market near Lakshmi Road, near Vishrambagh Wada of Pune city. India Today spoke to few of those women who we spotted in this Tulsi Bagh market. Listen what they have to say.
ना मास्क आत्ता काढला आम्ही ओ सॉरी हो घातला पाहिजे काळजी तर घ्यायलाच पाहिजे आपली स्वतःची
पण थोडं निष्काळजी वाटतात.
हो खूप निष्काळजी आहेत. एवढं मास्क नाही लावत, मास्क खाली असतं पूर्णपणे, एवढं सॅनिटायझरचा वापर पण नाही करत.
अभी क्या करें, दिवाली है तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना.
इट्स वेरी बैड. एज वी सॉ द क्राउड, उससे तो हम लोग खुद ही घबरा गए. सफोकेशन भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. लोग तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं डर रहे, मतलब बिल्कुल ही नहीं डर रहे.
So here you have heard that people are finding excuses. They are saying that they are taking utmost care. But what about those who are invisible carriers and who might infect you? India Today also had a word with senior doctors. The president of Maharashtra Indian Medical Association. Listen what he has to say.
The most important thing that we are expecting the increase in the new patients numbers, because 2-3 things. The first is the cold season, which everybody, even the health department of India, has informed that the numbers will be increased during the cold wave. And the second important thing, that the Diwali festival, the people are making rush everywhere. The people are not wearing masks. If they are wearing masks, they are not proper. They are not wearing the 3-layer mask. They are using the mask. They are keeping those in their neck, and they are not keeping their mouth and nose open. That is not the proper way. And the most important thing, the people are mixing up, not observing any social distancing principle, neither on the road, neither in the shops.
We also had a word with Dr. Dhananjay Kelkar, the MD at Dinanath Mangeshkar Super Specialty Hospital.
Today England has more than 11,000 patients admitted, and France is getting 50,000 new cases a day. So I don't think we should dream differently than Europe. We will be in the same boat that Europe is traveling, and after 6 months of our COVID peak, so in Pune it was July, August, September, so by Jan, Feb we should expect a second wave of corona or a second peak of corona. I personally feel that in Pune is also called as a flu capital of India. So Pune's flu months will be July, August, September 2021. So I have a feeling personally that July, August, September will be again equally bad in Pune as it was this year. But if you want to prevent or reduce the numbers of COVID patients, you must continue with all precautions with diligence, especially masks at all times, no socialization like marriages and Diwali festival or celebrations, no unnecessary travel. Probably I would advise the government not to open schools at this moment, because opening of schools may be a bad idea in November, December. And I feel that we should be ready. Like Europe was not ready. Europe started opening up beaches and restaurants and pubs and hotels and tourist places, and now they are suffering for it. So we should be smarter than Europe, in my opinion.
So this was an important word of advice from expert doctors who feel that people need to strictly follow social distancing norms for next few months till the coronavirus vaccine arrives. This is Pankaj Khelkar in Pune for India Today.